I love boxing. It's an awesome workout and it's really good for stress management and self-defense.
Hook, upper, move around that bag. I like to beat up the bags instead of people.
Baby steps around that bag. Keep moving around that bag. Strength. Nope. Right here. There you go. Sit. Confidence.
Stress relief.
Nice. Elbow. Elbow. Yep. So start with your left. Boxing gives me more of an overall workout. I get to work on my abs while I'm hitting, and I get a better self-confidence from doing it because the trainers here actually push you to do what you're supposed to do. And